Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step comparison on HubSpot versus Salesforce. When businesses start looking for CRM software, two of the biggest names they almost always compare are HubSpot and Salesforce. Both platforms are extremely powerful and widely used around the world, but they are built with different philosophies, different target users, and different levels of complexity. Understanding HubSpot. HubSpot is a customer relationship management platform designed to help businesses manage sales, marketing, customer service, lead generation, automation, and communication. HubSpot is designed around simplicity and usability. The platform combines multiple business tools into one connected ecosystem. HubSpot is ease of use. HubSpot is known for having a clean interface, beginner-friendly navigation, faster onboarding, and simpler workflows. Compared to more enterprise-heavy systems, HubSpot usually feels less intimidating. The biggest criticism HubSpot receives is pricing increases as businesses scale. Why this happens? While HubSpot offers free and beginner-friendly tools initially, advanced features often require expensive upgrades. Costs can rise significantly as contacts grow, teams expand, and automation becomes more advanced. Another limitation: HubSpot is customizable, but not nearly as deeply customizable as Salesforce. Large enterprises sometimes outgrow HubSpot's flexibility. Understanding Salesforce. Salesforce is one of the largest and most advanced CRM platforms in the world. It is heavily focused on enterprise-level customer relationship management. Salesforce is designed to manage highly complex business operations involving sales, customer service, marketing, analytics, automation, and enterprise workflows. The platform's main advantage is depth and customization. Why Salesforce is so powerful? Salesforce allows businesses to customize almost everything. Important clarification: this flexibility comes with complexity. Salesforce usually has a steeper learning curve than HubSpot. The platform's biggest challenge is usually complexity. Why some businesses struggle with Salesforce? Many companies underestimate setup complexity, administration requirements, training needs, and maintenance costs. Another common issue: Salesforce can become expensive, especially when businesses require advanced modules, large teams, enterprise features, and developer support. Final verdict: HubSpot, best for ease of use, marketing integration, startups and growing businesses, faster onboarding, and simpler CRM workflows. Salesforce, best for enterprise operations, deep customization, advanced scalability, complex workflows, and large organizations. To summarize, HubSpot and Salesforce are both powerful CRM platforms, but they serve different business needs. HubSpot focuses heavily on simplicity, usability, marketing integration, and faster onboarding, making it especially attractive for startups, small businesses, and growing teams that want a more user-friendly CRM experience. Salesforce, on the other hand, is designed for enterprise-level customization, scalability, and complex business operations, offering significantly deeper workflow control and integration capabilities, but with a steeper learning curve and greater technical complexity. HubSpot is usually better for simplicity and marketing-focused workflows, while Salesforce is often better for highly customized enterprise CRM systems. So that's all about it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.